Good morning, Tynin. Nice weather today. Tynin is around 90 kilometers from Ho Chi Minh. Cute. These are the girls. They're preparing. And there's Mother Tay. We're watching her podcast. This is our hotel. Cutie. We're Team Pink for today's video. Because on Wednesdays, on Mondays, we wear pink. So we're currently here in Mount Baden. So that's the mountain. That's the mountain. That's Mount Baden. There. Kita niyo ng cable cars. Sakay ni Anna. Asa mo? Cutie. Asa man imong na-research them sa Baden Mountain?
Ingon siya, ang kaning Baden Mountain daw was a place nga gigamit sa mga people during the war for both the Vietnamese and the American people daw. And then it is linked to kana a lady named Lai Thi Ting Bong. Onya, tapos namatay siya diri and then gi-call siya nga Baden or Black Lady. So this is the Black Lady Mountain.
It's so nice no to learn the history of other countries ba. Ma-amaze ka no. Dako gid kay kalibutan. Hello. Oto guys, so gisapot si Darlene Mer guys. Okay, mo di attitude man si ante.
Kay 50 ra man ni maghatag ang 200 sa iya ha.
Pagod ako na naliyata bata. Di kaya iya wa man gud mi nagkasabot yun siya kay ina 50. Kinana siya 5. Tapos, ay siya lang di ay.
Sana ko ka 50.
Oo. So, nihatag ako.
This is the Baden station.
Ay, nara.
Unsa, ikso ni?
Padas.
Dito Banson man ni.
On the way to the cable car. Ano ba? Philippines! Yeah. We're here in the cable car. Hi guys.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like this will last forever. Looking in your eyes,
Look at the view.
I see my whole life.
Oh my god.
Oh. They say you know it, but you know it, and I know. Promise that you'll hold me close, don't let me go. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I wasted. You were right there all along.
Hello Vietnam. I'm one with the clouds.
Intertwining songs. We were never strangers. You were right there all along.
We survived our first cable ride
First out of
of the day. Okay, first out of 4.
Ipaningot ko man.
What's that, ma'am?
Dali lang.
What? We're gonna.
Oh my god.
Oh. Okay, Jessa, exercise ni siya. Ayaw na balibari, okay? Exercise ni siya, exercise. Ilan ni siya ka-calories, okay? Stretching them, stretching! Stretching, Ate Jam, go!
Be careful.
Okay.
Para ba sa ubos? Ay, baka ay, di ko kauban sa massage. Sayang. Magpa-massage mo.
Ma'am Joy, hindi ako ma-remember ano.
Gani. How was the climb? It's the climb!
I don't know. I feel like I'm having my asthma.
Gani. Pagbaba na mi. Sabon ako sa. And then pagbaba na mo, nanapod mi sakyan nga cable car.
Enjoy.
Video mo na ko mga video. Ikatulong na naman sakay.
Enjoy video din.
Oh my god. Wala.
Mama. Kaya kayo taas tayo.
Hindi man siya pasaka kayo. Hindi siya flat lang. Lugar ko mag-repair ko na i-brush mo.
Kapit na ta.
Welcome, girls.
Yay! We're here na sa the peak of Baden Mountain. We're off to the lunch buffet. It's part of the package. It's lunchtime. Excited na may mga on. Lunch. Wow. Silag Fields. We're at the peak of Mount Baden. Oh my God. So, wala may makita guys because clouds man na siya. Clouds gid ni siya guys. Tupong gid mi sa clouds.
Pinabunitan na dyan ako ang clouds.
And there's hello Baden. Basta man ka kira kada jay. Hello. Dagan kayo pagkaon. So many food to choose from. This is what I got for my lunch. Salmon, and then I made a salad. The dressing is sesame, my favorite. Puro ka MD. Kabalo ba mo? Pila ang buffet nila? Maulaw yun ang Pilipinas because this is only 150,000 BNB, so that's around 300 pesos. Imagine! Uy, lami kaayo ang all! Lami kayo ng gym, chika! How's your food?
Dami.
How's the food? It's impeccable. How's your food?
Yummy!
Super. Guys, ulit jud kaayo among kwarta dire. Super.
How was it? Amazing. Oh my God. How was your Baden trip?
It was so... I didn't expect this to be so beautiful. But it's so stunning.
Stunning!
Super.
How's your Baden experience?
It's amazing. Gano'n ka life? Kamusta ang anak? Ako anak.
Hello!
Multitasking.
Yeah.
course, we have to taste the cup here para ma-compare. What will you buy? What are you gonna buy? Lingi mong duha. Naanay ulo dire, na ulo na. Oh, naanay nga ni dire. Ato ba nga ni? Oh.
Pag-straight mo kay dito na yan katong picture ganin ha.
Ay, oo.
Diba?
Oo, tama.
Ay, katong Bluetooth.
Oo. Hello, guys. We're literally on top of the world. So nice. Oh.
Ready na mo? Baba pa na! Baba, baba! Kasalo ka pa ba? Ano nakabitang ka?
Paano siya stable rin ka? Pero, ako mga salon, kung magkita niyo ako sa gawas mga stable tayo.
Okay na sa kilid, pero kalamutan ako sa baba mo. Tayo.
So far ka ba?
Sulfur!
So far.
Super speechless.
Sulfur sticks.
So,
Ano ang cable cartel?
Higit ko kakaya sa ubol magtanaw.
ako medyo kaya-kaya ron. Medyo kaya-kaya.
Okay na siya.
Okay na, okay na.
Sa kilid na kumutanaw, di kumutanaw sa ubos. Okay na itong dito kay medyo baba.
Pero, uy, scary.
That's the end of my vlog. Until next time. Bye-bye.